Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies without baking soda. We'll focus on achieving a delightful texture that's different from traditional recipes. By skipping the leavening agent, your cookies will be crispier and hold their shape beautifully. This approach is perfect for cut-out cookies, giving them a lovely, firm bite. Get ready to bake some truly delicious treats with a unique character. First, let's cream together 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter and 1½ cups of granulated sugar. Use an electric mixer on medium speed for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the mixture becomes noticeably lighter in color and has a fluffy, airy consistency. This crucial step helps create a tender crumb, even without baking soda, by incorporating tiny air pockets. Next, slowly incorporate 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt into your creamed mixture. Mix on low speed until the flour is just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies. Once your dough is ready, wrap it tightly in plastic and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This chilling period is essential for firming up the butter, which helps your cookies maintain their shape beautifully in the oven. Now, roll out your chilled dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thick. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes, then carefully transfer them to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool completely before decorating for a perfect, crisp finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.